Today I will present fragmentation alternative. I go in horizontal fragmentation. You see here there are two projects. Project 1 contain project with budgets less than $200,000. And project 2 is a contain projects with budgets greater than or equal to $200,000. And you see here is original project relation. In this one you have four columns, four attributes I mean. The first column is project number. The second column is project name, then budget, then location. And we see here you have a 5 project, P1, P2 to P5. And then you have a 2 horizontal fragmentation, I mean project 1 and project 2. That were created from project. Now I go to next slide. In next slide you will see vertical fragmentation. You have project 1 contain information about project purchase, and relation project 2 information about project names and location. And you see here project 1 contain only 2 attributes, project number and budgets. And project 2 contain 3 attributes, project name, project number, project names and location. And I discussed about the degree of fragmentation from the left to the right. From the right, you see the relations are not to be fragmented. You can replicate, I mean make a copy of the relation. And toward the left, you see a fragmentation from tuples, I mean horizontal fragmentation, or attribute, I mean vertical fragmentation, and how to find suitable levels of partitioning within these ranks. Here I discuss 3 properties. The first property is completeness. I mean, we can decompose a relation R into n fragments from R1 to Rn. This fragmentation is complete if and only if each data item in R can also be found in some Ris. The second property is reconstruction. If relation R is decomposed into fragments R1, R2 to Rn, then there should exist some relational operator. Maybe later you know joint, or maybe natural choice, or maybe union, so that R is constructed from fragments. Destroyers if relation R is composed into n fragments and data item Di is in Rj, then Di should not be in any other fragments. There are 3 properties reflect the correctness of fragmentation.